Alright, you are welcome to this class. I still remain your instructor. Remember, this is JS1 third term scheme of work, Igbo language. Alright, so today we'll be looking at the topic Akara Edemede. Akara Edemede, which is punctuation mark. Punctuation marks. You call it that. You call it punctuation mark in your English. So do Akara Edemede. We have so many of them, but first of all, define what Akara edemede is all about. Akara edemede bụ akara ndị ahụ na-enye aka ime ka ọgụgụ asụsụ Igbo gaa were were ma nwekwa nghọta zuru oke. So there are the punctuation marks that helps the Igbo language to have meaning and to be simple and easy to understand. Now, akara edemede, that's what we call akara edemede. Then we have different types or kinds of akara edemede. As you are seeing them there, you have bomb. This one you are seeing, bomb, which you know, bomb in Igbo, bomb, this thing, full stop. You have recom, comma is called recom in Igbo. Apostrophe is called recomelu in Igbo. Question mark, akara ajụjụ, see it here, okay? Akara, you have exclamation, which is in Igbo, akara ntimpu, you can see it there. You have column, which is in Igbo, is called pom pom. You now have hyphen, which is in Igbo, is called akara uhie. You can see the hyphen is called akara uhie in Igbo. You now have bracket, which is called akara ngudo in Igbo, akara ngudo. We have quotation mark, which is akara ngu, All right. So do this assignment. Gịnị bụ akara edemede? Gịnị bụ akara edemede? What is akara edemede? You already know what I've told you what akara edemede is. And the next one is depụta akara edemede ise enwere ma tụgharịa ha na Bekee. Write down the 5 types of akara edemede that we have and translate them into English. Thank you very much. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to do that now. Thank you very much. Do well to subscribe to our channel now, so that you receive other educational lessons. Do it now. Thank you very much. I love you all. And remember, our slogan in this channel is pursue knowledge. Knowledge is life. If without knowledge, you don't have life. Pursue knowledge. Love education. That is your life. What you know today is 100% capable of helping you today and tomorrow. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you very much.